Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne. Sorry, there's a fountain that's burst over there, a water pipe, so there's a bit of noise behind the background. This is called rubber rock. They use it a lot in playgrounds. This is a kindergarten that we're working on at the moment. And what's been happening is, as you can probably see on the edges, there's quite a bit of mold that started to develop. And then what's happened over time, I'm just blowing all the sand out, because of the sand and the moisture, the rubber rock is starting to get really slippery in places. So what we're going to do is start to clean it all, but we've got to get all the sand off first, and then we're going to wash all the rubber rock. It has to be low pressure. You can't do this with high pressure because you'll ruin the rock. So that's what we're up to at the moment. I'm just going to show you the process as we go. I'm just blowing out all the surface dirt, and then we're going to be starting to lay down chemical to get rid of the mold. As you can see here, that's a good example of how it's developed, and then we'll go from there. I'll show you the results at the end. It'll be looking absolutely magic. Go on, have a look at this. Beautiful. So we're looking for color, texture, and of course a lack of mold. That's primarily, you could see if you remember around here, it was really moldy, but actually there was whole areas, wasn't overly visible, but the manager of the facility was complaining about it being slippery. So you can see how clear the textures come out. Now right through here, all the edges have been done. Rubber rock is a great, you see how vibrant that's come back, beautiful. The main problem that they have with this facility is drainage. Okay, so they've only got 2 drains, 1, 2, and then this whole area drains into this kind of mulchy area, which is, yeah, it's just, it doesn't work well. So there we are, but fundamentally we've gotten rid of the slip hazard, and also we haven't damaged the rubber rock. The rubber rock's quite sensitive, as you can see here. They've already had a number of areas where there's been cracking. So you cannot go high pressure with rubber rock, and you have to use chemical to get rid of the mold and mildew. So if you have a kindergarten or a school or even a commercial facility of any kind or form, let us know. I'd be happy to help you and get you a quote. Thanks for watching.